Hey guys, so as promised, I am going to do a quick tutorial thanks with the help of Miss Rita here. We're going to do a how to flat twist, and then we're going to do our shingle method versus the um, rake through method as you guys requested. So a few of you had inboxed or messaged me, what is shingling, what is raking through, how does it vary on from head to head, curl to curl. So I want to do that for you guys. Also wanted to show you just a quick tutorial on how to flat twist. So let's get into it really quick here. Thank you guys for watching today. Okay, so we have our section all ready to go on Miss Rita's hair, and I'm gonna just go ahead and take two pieces. Now, similar to corn rolling, you want to take out your two pieces like you would, except you're only gonna use two versus three. When we're corn rolling, we use three. When we're flat twisting, we use two. All right, so we've got our two pieces. Now, depending on which way you prefer, you are gonna go ahead and cross over. So I'm gonna go this way because this is the way that my hand normally goes. But if I were doing her hair and this were the front of her head, I would probably go in the opposite direction. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cross that over. Okay, and similar to corn rolling, we're gonna pick up on the other side and cross. Pick up, okay, and cross over. Now I typically pick up as I'm crossing, but because this is a beginner course, you're gonna do it as you go. Okay, pick up, cross, pick up, cross. And we're just picking up the hair and placing it in between our fingers and then crossing that over. Again, same thing, okay? And we're crossing it over, threading it through. You see that? Picking it up, crossing it over. Again, it's just like corn rolling, except you're only using two pieces and you're gonna pick up and twist as you go down. Pick up and twist. Okay, now once we get to this bottom part, this is where you want to take the hair and actually do a rope twist. And it's up to you. You can do a looser twist, but if you want more of a defined curl, you're gonna go ahead and twist. And this is the motion that we're using as we twist the hair. And you're just twisting your hand as you cross over all the way down. Okay? Well, we're gonna do that again because I wanna make sure that you got it. And I see our nice flat twist. Okay, we're gonna do that one more time so that you can see full on what it is. Okay. And I want you to try it on your hair. Just use small sections. Do the front. Don't try to tackle a whole head yet. Just do, maybe a little piece here and there. Okay. Again, we're going to start with our two pieces. Pull those out. And we're going to cross, pick up. See how I picked up as I crossed? Cross. Pick up on that side. Pick up. Cross. Pick up. Cross. Pick up. And we're twisting as we pick up. Crossing over. Picking it up. Crossing over. Picking it up. Crossing over. Now try not to make it sound like it's so simple. It is, but the mind automatically, once you learn how to braid with 3 pieces, is trying to train itself to only use 2. It's the same concept, just 2 pieces. Okay? Don't overthink it. You're just twisting and picking up. This end part is the part that most people get hung up on. Now, if it was my head, I would have went all the way down, but because it's Rita's hair, it's a little hard to grip that bottom piece, in my opinion. I know some people probably can, but that piece for me is a little harder to grip. But if you're looking to just twist it for the sake of taking them out, you don't necessarily have to have this part pretty taut, as long as everything else is uniform. Okay? Yay, you did it. Okay, so now we're gonna come to the shingle versus raking through part of our video. And as you can see, her hair is a little damp, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wet it some more. The key to defining curls is to make sure the hair is nice and saturated with water first. Okay, and you can see her curls are coming through just based on it being wet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of conditioner, about that much, and I'm going to just kind of rub that through. Now I'm going to start with the raking method first. And it's basically you taking your hand and doing that. We're just going to go ahead, and after we've saturated the section, we're going to rake the product through. Now, raking the hair is great for your 4A, 4B, 3A, 3B, 3C curl patterns, because what ends up happening is you're going to scrunch that hair up to get that curl, especially if you have if you have fine to medium textured hair like Miss Rita here. You're gonna try to scrunch that curl to get it to stay. Okay, and so that's us raking it through and distributing the product evenly all over the curls from top to bottom. You see that? So now we're going to take another piece, and with this piece we're going to shingle the hair. Now, shingling can be done with every hair type, but I strongly suggest for my curlies who can't necessarily get, or you think you can't get a wash and go going on your hair because the curls don't come out because you're probably trying to rake the product through, this is for you. So my 4B, 4C hair girls, this is strictly for you. And I want you to try it on your hair the next time you want to do a wash and go. Okay, so we've distributed the product all through the hair. And if you're using a gel, I'm just using conditioner on her hair because I don't want to put too much product on her, because then I'll have to wash it. I don't feel like doing that. But you want to make sure that you get the roots really good if you're using a gel, especially. So for those who are shingling, I typically rub the product through the hair, and then as I am going to release the curl, I take section by section and twirl. Twirl those curls, form them. Shingling is simply rubbing the product through and forming the curl. And like I said, this is something that will help those of you who are about 4C, kind of have that like Z pattern curl. You're going to want to play with your curls to form them. Get your hair trained to curl. Right now it's trained to maybe you're wearing twist outs, or maybe you're wearing your hair, you know, and blowouts a lot. So you got to train that curl to do what you like it to do if you're going to wear a wash and go. So this is just a good way to go ahead and get those curls popping. Okay, now her hair obviously does better with the raking versus the shingling because she's already got a nice curl pattern. But like I said, this is something you can do for our 4B, 4C ladies with that Z pattern curl. You're just trying to get your curls to pop. That's for you. So the top we shingled and the bottom we raked through. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave me some comments, questions, like, share. Make sure that you go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this helps someone. Please make sure that you tell me what else you want to see, because I would love to do a video on it, and I love to educate. So that's what this channel is about. So make sure that you send in your topics and we'll talk about it. Thanks, guys. Bye.